Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or should I say welcome back if it's your first time here. My name is Kels and a special welcome to you. I do natural hair tutorials and explore hair growth treatments. So if you're interested in that, please do consider subscribing to my channel. And if you're one of my long time subbies, let me just tell you guys, welcome back fam. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I use rice to make a cream for hair growth. Now we all know some of the benefits of rice water, and the rice cream works just the same. Rice is great if you want to reduce hair fall because the amino acids that is present helps to regenerate the hair and aids in faster hair growth. So today I will not be starting from scratch with my rice because I had made some rice and I had some extra, so I stored it into the fridge. Actually, I stored it for about like 3 days because I was super busy, but I did not want to waste my rice, so I stored it. So now I am just going to reuse it to make my hair cream. So what I'm doing now, I'm just adding it to the pot and I'm just adding some water as I'm going to put it back on the stove so that I can continue to boil it until it gets super soft and it has a creamy consistency, because you want this to be as super soft as possible because you do not want any chunks to be in your hair when you're making the cream. So basically it started to boil, so I'm just stirring it and then I'm going to just leave it until it is fully soft. As you guys can see, it is extremely soft right now, so I'm just going to turn off the stove and I'm gonna leave it for about however long it took. I don't remember how long it took. And you're just gonna leave it until it cools down, and then I transferred it to this container once it is cooled down. Now once this is done, you can see that it's looking pretty soft, and here I am checking it and it felt pretty soft, so I knew I didn't have anything to worry about. So I'm just gonna grab my blender and I'm just going to add it to the blender with the additional items that I'll be using in this recipe today. Okay guys, so along with the rice, I'll be adding something special to this ingredient today, and I'll be adding some avocado to my rice cream. Now we all know the use of avocado, it is amazing. So I'm adding this just to add value. Now the quantity doesn't matter because it depends on how thick or how thin your hair is or how long. So I also added honey. Honey is the honey. The honey was in the fridge, so it's a bit frozen, but that's honey, and honey is very important in deep conditioner and hair growth routine as it is a natural antioxidant and it helps to stimulate hair growth. So I'm just gonna grab the blender, put it onto its stand, and wow, look at that guys, that consistency is looking so beautiful. Okay guys, what I'm doing now, I'm just going to strain it just in case there's any chunk of rice in it, but I didn't think that was even fully necessary because based on just looking at this guys, you can tell that this is super creamy, and basically I didn't really find any rice chunks in it, but it's good just in case, because when you're adding this to your hair, you do not want to have any chunks in your hair. You want it to be easily washed out when you finish your hair growth routine. So basically this is the end of the video, guys. So if you enjoy, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, also so that other persons can see it. Is very beneficial. So if you really love it, that would be very much appreciated. Thank you for stopping by, and catch you guys in the next one. And remember, you can always comment if you like me to try something. I'm always willing to try something new. Bye guys.